In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Thinkorswim paper money amount. This is perfect if you want to practice with a starting balance that reflects your real-world account size, or if you're testing a new strategy and need more or less buying power. Start by opening Thinkorswim and making sure you're logged into your paper money account, not your live account. This matters because the adjustment controls only appear in the paper trading environment. You should see a clear indicator that you're in paper money along the top of the platform. If you're in the live account by accident, switch over before moving on so you don't waste time hunting for buttons that won't show up. Next, head to the Monitor tab. This is your home base for tracking cash, positions, and activity. Inside the Monitor tab, click on Activity and Positions, then open Position Statement. This view summarizes your current virtual cash balance, open positions, and trade history, which is exactly what we need for the change. Now, look for the Adjust Account button near your cash balance. It's typically positioned right above or next to the cash amount within the position statement area. If your layout is compressed, try widening the panel or scrolling slightly. It's easy to miss if the window is small. Click Adjust Account. A small window will appear that lets you edit your paper money settings. In the field provided, enter the exact amount you want for your virtual cash. Choose a number that supports your goals. Mirroring your real account can improve discipline, while a larger balance might be useful for testing strategies that require bigger positions. In that same window, you'll also see the option to reset all balances and positions. Use this if you want to wipe out every open trade, transaction, and historical fill, and start completely fresh with the new balance. Be aware that this action removes your existing paper trades and their performance history, so only reset if you're sure you won't need that data. Once you've set the amount, click Apply or OK to confirm. Your paper money account will update right away, and you should see the new cash balance reflected back in the position statement. A quick reminder: these changes affect only your paper trading environment and do not impact any real funds. If you don't see the Adjust Account button, double-check that you're truly in paper money. And as a best practice, pick a starting balance that fits your risk tolerance and the style of trading you're practicing. That's it. Your paper money amount is now updated and ready for your next simulation.